advantages of staff augmentation. Increase the duration of the recruiting cycle. Enlistment is a time-consuming procedure that might take months, perhaps longer, if you seek applicants with exceptional and unusual qualities. However, with the assistance of staff augmentation firms, you may cut the time required for acquiring from months to weeks to even days. Augmentation experts maintain updated database with a diverse pool of tech skills from which to pick. It increases the likelihood that augmentation company will discover you as the ideal applicant for faster than you would if you began the search on your own. It saves you a lot of time. Additionally, the specialized team provider takes care of the following: recruitment, criminal background check, hiring, payroll. It is an ideal answer for technology scarcity, and that does not seem to be ending anytime soon. According to current projections, a global labor shortage around 85.2 million workers is expected to exist by the year of 2030. It will result in an enormous of $8.5 trillion of unrealized output in the United States alone. Cost saving associated with the development. Now, you're probably wondering how the most significant and apparent advantages of establishing a remote team is cost saving. Compared to the US and Western European nations, if you attract resources from Eastern Europe and Asia, they will seek cheaper compensation due to lower living costs in those countries. It will result in enormous saving. Additionally, you are well aware that the cost of recruiting in-house personnel in the United States is fairly high, which includes additional expenditure for taxes, employee benefits, and Social Security, among others. There is a significant difference compared to deploying staff augmentation services from Eastern Europe and Asia. Wages are lower. Even other expenditure like equipment, office space, and taxes are reduced. The bottom line is that outsourcing staff augmentation is the most effective strategy to limit development expenses. There are fewer legal complications. Hiring individuals entails many paperwork and legal duties, including payroll taxes and employee benefits. When you use staff augmentation, on the other hand, the outsourcing business sees as the employer is responsible for all the above mentioned legal duties and paperwork. Overcoming geological limitations, numerous technology startups are having difficulty securing the necessary resources at the right pricing on the local level. Staff augmentation provides a comprehensive answer to this issue by allowing you to look for required professionals situated in many countries without having to hunt for them physically. It connects you directly to professionals who may be available in your area or nation sometimes. The high degree of adaptability, staff augmentation is critical in offering flexibility for IT startups. Startups should not be afraid in unforeseen demand occur, as they can add the extra staff to the right competence in few days. Additionally, entrepreneurs may scale up or down in response to their current needs. As a result, they are not bound to staff who will not be necessary for months. Sustained authority. While companies use their hired expertise, staff augmentation allows them to retain control over their management and work. The full project's work is transferred to an external entity in project outsourcing. However, with staff augmentation in place, firms may retain control over human resources by contracting with an external agency. Staff augmentation provides businesses with managerial control, allowing them to create the project in the manner they wish. Historically, project outsourcing aimed to reduce the parent company's involvement in the execution and administration of the project. However, staff augmentation avoids this anomaly by allowing parent enterprises to make the ultimate decision. Expansion and adoption. Businesses often seek grow their operational by capitalizing on current market circumstances. However, the related risks and likelihood to failure often dissuade organizations from taking such initiative. Staff augmentation is beneficial to these types of organizations. Businesses may now use flexible hiring to grow their operations on a trial basis without investing in full-time crew. It promotes businesses to evaluate their existing in various sectors via project-based recruiting. Apart from growth, flexible staffing helps organizations adapt to the market and consistency. With the market changing daily and millennials obtaining new abilities, businesses must continually innovate to survive. Staff augmentation emerges as an efficient technique for accomplishing this goal because it allows organizations to adapt quickly to changing market circumstances using project-specific staff. Leverage new concepts. If you retain a small group of workers for an extended period of time, you risk opinion stagnation and lack of originality. It may be a significant impediment to the development and expansion of your firm. Successful and changing businesses need novel approaches to maintain their success. Staff augmentation encourages business to collaborate with a broad group of professionals rather than run with repeated ideas. Through project-specific employment, businesses may tap into a pool of fresh ideas and concepts that can help them improve their company operation.